Hi guys, I promised to make some DIY videos about this new build, the new generator. So here we go. First of all, the high pressure laminate I was supposed to get in the hardware store, it's not available, so I bought it online. They're going to go and ship it. And so what am I making here actually is just a quick and dirty jig for cutting the iron pieces. Normally I would just cut the iron pieces with one of those cutters. Uh, but then again, I would have to measure it every time and then cut it and then measure it. So I'm making a sort of jig for it. And as you can see, it's real quick and dirty, so I'm just using the glue clamps and a simple hand drill and you know uh, some stuff to measure some stuff around, and it's really just fun to make. um, as you can see here, I'm constructing the thing to try it, and it actually does work like the way I thought it would. um, yeah, what else can I say about it? It's just really nice to see that somebody is trying to make it, I'm talking about myself here. Doesn't it sound funny? Without the big tools. And it's also for you to see that, even if you don't have the big tools, you can still make something astounding and amazing. So that's what I'm trying to show right here. Um, so what are we making here? Well, obviously the cutter has to be fit into in a jig, and then eventually there will be some movable part. The movable part is to make it so that you can adjust the length of the cutting length, right? So that for the iron pieces of the iron poles, the cores of the coils, they're going to be a certain length. And then for another part, like the part where the magnetic switch is, we're going to have a different length, so we'll have to have a movable part. Yeah, so here's me trying to fit it back together again. And obviously that works. And as you can see here, I have a little trouble with fitting in the threaded wire. But it's okay. It's just a, quick and dirty setup, and you can just adjust it a little bit. So here you can see the end result of the device, and also the movable part is installed. And I've already cut 2 pieces of iron here, and you can see the result. They're almost practically the same length. This is it for now, and thanks for watching.